Alright, hello moto friends. I am in the middle of Pennsylvania. Why? I think I got a good reason. Let me tell you about it. One of the Hulk chapters that I'm a part of is out of Chesapeake City, Harley Davidson. It's a fun group, and our host dealer has thrown out a challenge for the month of October. Eisenhower Dealership Network. If you visit each one of the dealerships in the month of October, your name goes into a drawing, and each one of the dealerships is giving away like a $200 prize pack, a $100 gift card, and $100 worth of swag. And each one of the dealerships will have a winner. So we are out to cover our bases for these dealerships. Yesterday, Doug and I picked up our little punch cards at our local dealership, Eisenhower Chesapeake. We did a little walk around. Let me show you that. At the York dealership. I think I've been here before. I'm not sure if I walked around, but they have plenty of bikes up there and a really cool museum in the back. I'll show you a little bit of that. So, we're on our way to Tioga County to hit our second dealership of the day and walk around, check it out, maybe get some lunch. Carrying truck is humongous. I did not realize the scale of it until I got behind it. That is crazy. Alright, taking a little break from our road trip. Gonna try to find some food here.
Can't wait for the weekend. Gonna dive off the deep end. No, I don't need a reason.
Skeeter's Barbecue.
Pour me a glass, I toss it back. Forget responsibility. It's hard to be 23 and don't know what's in front of me. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck than just be another. Plus it's better that wheels will do anything to feel like I'm not growing up. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck.
Alright, look at this nice scenic little bridge kind of thing. Pretty nice. Score 1-4 Pennsylvania.
Wake up, it's a Monday morning. Life really shouldn't be so boring. Nothing is really that important. Just let go. Pour me a glass, I toss it back. Forgetting my reality. It's hard to be 23 and don't know what's in front of me. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck than just be another. Plus it's better that wheels will do anything to feel like I'm not growing up. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck than just be another. Plus it's better that wheels will do anything to feel like I'm not growing up. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck than just be another. Person's better than wheels will do anything to feel like I'm not growing up. Sleep is for the dead, not looking for comfort. Rather be a wreck than just be another. Person's better than wheels will do anything to feel like I'm not growing up.
Alright, so we have landed in Tioga County, Mansfield, Pennsylvania. We're off the highway not an interstate. We're off the main road, and I see the Call of the Wild Harley Davidson. We're gonna go and get our card punched. And it's funny, at first I was like, is it closed? Not as fancy as my big red barn, but it's cool, right? Here we are, back on the bike, leaving the Eisenhower dealership here up in Tioga County. Before I get into that, I just wanted to say, hey, if you like what I'm doing, show me some love. Hit that like button there. It really helps the algorithm and do its thing. If you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe button. I'll pop up in your feed automatically. Well, hopefully that does not seem to work all the time. Down below I have links to all of the devices that I'm using to record this video. I also have a $10 off coupon. If you like what I'm wearing, you too can get one of these Beyond Riders summer mesh jackets. $10 off if you use MinnowMoto as the promo code. So that dealership was really nice, kind of homey. I like the bench seats they had out front. They were the kind, well, the relaxed kind. I should have took a picture with the little table in between. Like, you weren't on top of each other. But that was nice. Everybody inside the dealership was nice. You could see when we pulled in, at first we were the only ones there. By the time we left, it was getting crowded. So that must be the place to go after work. That car on that trailer was pretty cool looking. Anyway, so the dealership was nice. We got our third punch in for our Eisenhower Chesapeake dealership challenge. We are not going to make it back to Chesapeake City by the time they close, so I will have to drop this off at another time. But I got all three, so that is exciting. On that note, I think I'm going to close this out. I'm going to let the cameras roll for a little bit. Beautiful area up here, driving towards civilization. Once we get closer to, I guess it's Harrisburg, things get kind of hectic. So I'm going to enjoy these 70-mile-an-hour roadways and beautiful scenery while we have it. It did get pretty nice. I appreciate Mother Nature finally kicking in for us. This is Jerry MinnowMoto. Thanks for watching. You guys ride safe out there. Have fun, and don't forget, be kind to each other. Stop recording.